Well. Welcome to the next level of Squid Games or the Hunger Games or whatever this is, because this is very, very bloody and very tragic out here in the crypto markets. Guys, this is insane. Now, in today's video, we're going to be going over what exactly kind of happened last night, because there were a few different things that triggered all of this. We're going to talk about a strategy on how to not get absolutely wrecked, and we're just going to go over a few different things, and also we're going to look at some memes to, I guess, raise everyone's spirits so we don't all just kill ourselves. Okay, I think that's a good idea. Now, let's get right into it, guys. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. My name is Radies, and on this channel we post crypto content as well as some stock market content. Anything you need to know, this is the one-stop shop. Now, guys, make sure you subscribe in the comments down below, okay? I want you to let me know what is gonna happen, okay? Are we gonna go down? Are we gonna see like a 10K Bitcoin, a 15K Bitcoin? Or are we gonna start to pump, and are we gonna go back to all-time highs? What do you think is going to happen? Let me know in the comments down below. Now, guys, let's take a look at the markets. Okay, so we're on CoinMarketCap. We can see we are I guess not pumping, but we're kind of bouncing a little. Bitcoin's at 22K. It's kind of cute. Ethereum back at 1.2K. And we can see, guys, last night, if you take a look at the chart for Bitcoin, was brutal. Okay, if you take a look at the one-day chart, we can see, boom, this actually touched 20,000. Okay. Now, it's only touched $19,000 at a certain point, but yeah, it was not looking good tonight, and there's a few things, so shout out to DeFi Dad. He pretty much was talking about the 3AC blow-up. So for those that don't know, that is a major hedge fund, and they were about to get liquidated, and a bunch of crazy shit was going on. There was also some stuff with Celsius, some stuff with Tether as well, as he goes to highlight which liquidation will lead us sub 1K to 20K. So the liquidations as well, those were going on last night. I think those are all covered. So from my understanding, there was 3AC, which I believe were somehow, like, they fixed their liquidations or they had more collateral, so they're okay. And I believe also Celsius also was able to collateralize more assets so they don't get liquidated or margin called or whatever that may be. Now, there are also rumors that USDC and USDT were about to be depegged and were going to crash. And there is still a possibility that Tether can implode, because we are seeing something that is insane right now. We are seeing huge market caps just being absolutely wiped out, loads of money just being flushed out of the markets. So that is another thing as well. Another thing is how markets react to the Fed. And we can see right now the Federal Reserve, this is earlier today, they raised interest rates by 0.75%, 0.75%, which is not good. This is the highest increase since 1994. So this can really start to screw everything over. Now, there was a bunch of things that Jerome Powell said and a bunch of things that the Fed had said. You guys can go check that out. I'm sure you guys could Google it, find a video somewhere. But there's a lot of stuff that went on that will, in some way, shape, or form, relate to the crypto market. So I want to show you guys a few things as well. But right now, guys, the main thing to, I guess, focus on is accumulating, right? Now's the time when you should be buying, right? Realistically, if you were sitting on cash right now, you are laughing because there are insane prices. Now, I'm not saying you should go and dump all your money into everything now. That's not a good idea. We are in a downtrend, and you got to understand that you could literally start an entry into something right now and be down like about 10%, literally, boom, just like that overnight, okay? Now, if you're really looking for the long term, this isn't really going to matter. If you're a short-term trader, you're probably shorting the market, whatever that may be. But if you're a long-term investor like myself, you guys know that there's a lot of good deals to be picked up right now, right? So, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Now, another thing you got to understand is a lot of the low-cap coins that were performing well in the last bull run might not make it to the next bull run. And I think there are so many different use cases of your money and your capital as opposed to buying these low shit coins, right, or these altcoins, right? And what I'm going to show you guys as well is actually my watch list. I'm going to show you guys right now. We see Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Cardano, XRP, Solana, Polkadot. I think these 10, I think they'll definitely, or I guess, sorry, not these 10, but these in the top 10, I think will definitely make it to the next bull run, right? Now, when we go down to Dogecoin, I don't know if that's going to make it. Avalanche, I think that will make it. Shiba Inu, probably not going to make it, if I'm just being honest. Matic, it probably will make it. Chainlink, yes. Kronos, yes. VeChain, not too sure. Helium, I don't think so, because they've been screwing over a lot of the miners, right? And now, again, these are just quick, like, hot takes, but there's a lot of tokens on here that probably won't make it to the next bull run. SafeMoon, not going to make it, right? They're not really, no. Stronger, not going to make it. Thor, a lot of these DeFi projects are not going to make it, guys. And a lot of these play to earn games, a lot of these projects, guys, are not going to make it. Now, you got to understand this as well. So this is the money flow chart, okay? So you got to understand, money goes from, and this is actually going upwards, but basically, you can see, right, it goes from fiat, so the dollar, so the US dollar, Canadian dollar, euro, whatever country you're in, it goes into Bitcoin first, right? And when Bitcoin starts pumping, boom, and the large caps start pumping, right? So the large caps, Ethereum starts to pump, BNB, all the other top cryptos, right? Then we have the mid caps, right? So these are the other projects, usually projects that are built on top of other networks and whatnot. And then there's the low caps. Okay, so these are the absolute degen plays, the absolute like tiny market cap plays where, you know, an influencer can make a tweet and boom, it jumps up 2x, right? Like those type of coins, that's where everything goes last. So we got to understand right now we are seeing a massive meltdown, and we got to understand money is going to go into Bitcoin and the large caps first. Okay, so if you want to start and trade these cycles, you are more than welcome to, right? Like that is definitely a possibility. You can try and trade the cycles. You can say, hey, I'm gonna put my money into Bitcoin. Then when Bitcoin pumps, I'm gonna go into some mid caps or some low caps. You can try and do that, but you gotta understand Bitcoin is gonna pump first. Without Bitcoin pumping, none of these other coins are gonna have a proper pump. Now, there may be some projects that have a little artificial pump because of some news or whatever that may be, but when we're realistically speaking about things, it's not going to pump properly and long term like how we have seen in the past 2 years. Now, guys, let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think? What are you guys investing in? And I want to show you guys these two memes just before we end the video because it is pretty funny. This one is waiting for the next bull run. Like, come on, dude, do something. And I 100% agree. I tweeted this on my Twitter, which you guys got to follow. Literally, I missed a crypto bull run more than all my exes combined because, yeah, it sucks, man. The bull run sucks. I miss those days. And this one, me waiting for the next bull run. Because I'm going to be honest, guys, things have been boring. Now, another indicator is influencers, right? Take a look at all your favorite crypto influencers, right? Whether they're YouTubers, Twitter people, whatever. Everyone's interactions and engagement is down drastically. It is also about to be summertime. A lot of people don't care about crypto right now. They're trying to go out and have fun. Now, another thing is sponsors. Have you guys noticed that a lot of these crypto influencers, including myself, have barely been, I guess, doing sponsored content? The reason is people aren't spending money on like sponsorships like that. And there's a lot of things where people are just removing their budgets from because people are right now trying to survive. So guys, remember, dollar cost average into things. Don't sell your coins that you have high conviction on. And watch my video from yesterday. It talks about stocks, but it's about capital reallocation. And that is very key for crypto as well. Now, guys, like I said, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, hit that subscribe button, all that good stuff. And until next time, guys, remember, stay seeking success.